Guys, I am in my garage and there's a Vans shoebox challenge going on right now, and so I wanted to show you what's inside my Vans shoebox. So I have this crate. This is actually my husband's. He's had this since he was a kid, and this, let me tell you something. Hubby and I have been together since I was 13 years old and he was 14. So we had a lot of notes back in the day and letters. So that's pretty much what this whole box is notes back and forth to each other. Oh, those are yearbooks. But here is a Vans box from back in the day. And it's just notes and cards. So this is my, I love you. So many, and I have other boxes and stuff. He has this because it's signed by somebody, I don't remember. But these are all, oh, these are airbox shoeboxes. Look, it's just cards and letters and just, you know, you used to cut out magazines and all kinds of stuff. But I just wanted to share that with y'all. I thought it was so cute, and I forgot that we had even had some of this. Oh, this is when I was on the drill team. We all got one of these. But, anyway, that's it. So, are you participating in the shoebox challenge? The Vans shoebox challenge? If you are, put your link below, because I would love to see your shoebox designs. Anywho, I'll talk to you guys later, and y'all have a fun weekend.